Good morning, my dear ones. How are you all? All are doing well? Okay, my dear children. Today's our topic is commonly used short sentence in English. Do you remember this topic? This is our last class topic. Okay, then let's continue our topic, my dears. Okay, dear children. Today I am going to introduce the first short sentence is I am leaving. All of you just look at the board. Now I want to write the sentence on the board. Okay. Okay, yes, look here. Number 1. Our first sentence is I am leaving. When we can use this sentence? Do you know when we can use this sentence? I am leaving. The situation is when you want to leave from somewhere, you can say I am leaving. This is not a more polite sentence. Okay. When you want to leave from somewhere, you can say one more thing, that is shall I go? This is very politely asking sentence. Okay. Do you get this? Okay, my dear children. Let's do one thing, my dears. After that, I will continue our class. Okay. So all of you just stand up. Just stand up, my dears. Then just clap your hands. Clap your hands. Okay. Just clap with me. Okay. 1, 2, and 3. Enough, my dears. Then look at the word. Okay. I wrote here our second sentence, that is shall I go. Can you see shall I go? Okay, dears. Then our last and final sentence is can I go? Can I go? If you want to leave from somewhere, you can say this thing too. Okay. Are you clear, my dear children? Okay, dears. Then my next short sentence is do you want something? What is my next sentence? That is do you want something? Do you know what does it means? Do you want something? When we can use this sentence? I will tell that. Okay. Whenever we want something from someone, we can use this sentence. Okay. Today's our last and final sentence is don't do it. What does it mean? Don't do it. Do you know? Don't do it. Okay. I hope so you get this sentence meaning. Okay, dear children. Now I want to write that sentence too on the board. All of you just look here. Okay. Is it clear, my dear children? Do you understand today's topic? Okay, dears. Then I want to just repeat today's whole sentences. Okay. So all of you just listen to me. I just repeat today's our topic. Okay. All are just listen carefully. Our first sentence is I am leaving. I am leaving. Okay. Our second sentence is shall I go? What is our second sentence? That is shall I go? Then our third sentence is can I go? Okay, clear? Okay, dears. And our fourth sentence is, do you want something? Do you want something? Do you want something? Okay. Our last and final sentence is, don't do it. Don't do it. Okay, dear children. We'll see you on next time. Okay. Bye-bye. Take care. Thank you all.